हाय गाइस, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई नो मैंने बहुत टाइम से इस चैनल पे कुछ भी अपलोड नहीं किया है। आई एम सो सॉरी गाइस, बट आई एम एक्चुअली वर्किंग ऑन समथिंग वेरी बिग, वेरी ह्यूज, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट। बट आज की वीडियो है ऑल अबाउट नायका पिंक फ्राइडे सेल। एक्चुअली सेल स्टार्ट हो गई थी ऑन 21st, बट आई थॉट कि थोड़ी डील्स होने देते हैं, थोड़ा शुरू होने देते हैं नायका में। एंड आई ऑल्सो ऑर्डर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम नायका। ऑनेस्टली मुझे 2 दिन में डिलीवर हो भी गई है एंड आई वाज एक्चुअली वेटिंग फॉर माय पार्सल्स टू अराइव। मैं शुरू करती हूँ मेरे रिकमेंडेशंस वाला पार्ट। And yeah guys, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. I have a lot of recommendations for you guys for hair care, makeup, a little bit of skin care and body care also. जितने भी brands में जो भी deals हैं, I will pop in the text यहाँ पे and you will definitely see कि किसमें क्या sale available है. So let's first of all start out with hair care. I have short hair and मुझे इनका ध्यान ना actually आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा रखना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि this weather, the water is so bad for my hair right now. मुझे बहुत hair fall होती है. So I have been using this shampoo from Brillare. This is their hair fall control shampoo. I don't know कि Brillare किसी भी डिस्काउंट में है कि नहीं है, but in any case this is my recommendation for all the people who actually suffer from hair fall. ये बहुत अच्छे से लैदर होता है, आपका पूरा स्कैल्प ना स्क्विगी क्लीन कर देता है and it actually foams up really well. So I love such kind of shampoos and hair fall के लिए this is honestly so good. इसके मैंने अभी तक 2 से 3 बॉटल खत्म कर दी होंगी. That's how much I like this shampoo. Now अगर आपको बहुत बिल्डअप होता है and you have a very oily scalp, then my dermat recommended me this. I did not know about this कि इनका शैम्पू भी आता है बायोडर्मा का. This actually looks like ऐसे कोई मॉइस्चराइजर होगा, but this is a shampoo. This is the anti dandruff intense shampoo for severe dandruff and itching. So इसको आपको बेसिकली वीक में एक ही बार लगाना है for like removing all the build up and dandruff वगैरह के लिए. So ये मुझे एक्चुअली में काफी सूट भी कर रहा है. ये बहुत लैदर नहीं करता आपके स्कैल्प में. So I feel like a lot of anti dandruff shampoos like do not lather up in your scalp. वो आपका ऐसे build up निकालने में ना ऐसे ज्यादा फोम नहीं करते. It basically helps to make your scalp very clean and very like dandruff free and itchy free. So this is actually really good. जो मैं religiously use करती हूँ आजकल and that is the Indie Wild का इनका Moonlight Scalp Serum. Honestly has helped me to get my baby hair. मैं इसको रोज रात को लगाती हूँ अपने स्कैल्प में. The best part about this is कि ये बहुत ना ऑयली नहीं है. आपका स्कैल्प बिल्कुल भी ऐसे लाइक कहते हैं ना तेल फील नहीं करेगा. इट्स वेरी लाइट वेट, वेरी वाटर. तो ऑफकोर्स जब आप इनिशियली लगाओगे इसको यू विल फील कि थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ है, बट वंस इट ड्राइज आउट इट्स लाइक लिटरली वाटर लाइक. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई लव अबाउट इट एंड इट हैज ऑनेस्टली गिवन मी रिजल्ट्स. सो इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड हेयर ग्रोथ सीरम गाइज, दिस इज एक्चुअली एन इन्वेस्टमेंट. इट्स नॉट वेरी अफोर्डेबल बट डेफिनेटली अगर आपको हेयर ग्रोथ करनी है, get this one. Next up I have these two serums. Both of them are from L'Oreal. सबसे पहले हम बात कर लेते हैं इसके बारे में. This is the L'Oreal Glycolic Gloss Serum. This is their newest launch right now. And honestly guys, this just makes your hair feel very soft, very glossy. इसमें definitely वो finish है, that glossy finish. जब आप इसको अपने हाथों में लेते हो ना, it definitely has those like glitter particles and this honestly makes your hair feel very shiny, very soft. Next up, I feel like I always go back to this one. This is the L'Oreal का Liss Unlimited Prime Rose Oil Serum. Very very nice. इसको मैंने अपने बालों में भी लगाया है. I honestly love it. This just makes my hair feel very soft, very like like naturally जैसे आप सैलून से ब्लो ड्राई करा के आते हो ना, I feel like कुछ वैसा मुझे लुक देता है. and a lot of salons definitely use it depending कि आपकी क्या preference है. If you want more glossy shiny hair then this is really good. If you want more sleeker and like healthy looking hair then you can definitely go for this one. So both of them are from L'Oreal and both of them perform equally well. So body care skin care में मेरे पास 2 आइटम्स हैं. So for body care I have the Dove का Revitalizing Body Wash. This is actually really good. ये ना बहुत hydrating है. Again like बहुत ही foamy है, which is what I love about my body washes. It smells really good. Like it just hydrates my skin and I feel like everything good is in this body wash. It is for 600 rupees right now, जिसके पीछे लिखा है, but on sale you will get it for much cheaper price. For skincare I only have this face wash. This is the simple refreshing facial wash for smooth and fresh skin. So this is again recommended by my dermat. इसके मैंने again कितनी tubes खत्म कर दी होंगी, I don't even remember now. But this is actually really good. अगर आपकी acne skin है, oily skin है, it works really well for especially these category. Again, this does not foam up really well on your face, but this will definitely remove all the dirt and impurities from your face and like make your skin feel squeaky clean. So if you're looking for a good face wash guys and that too on a budget, you can get this one. Now my favorite part comes and that is makeup guys. Now if you see I have a lot of makeup to share with you guys, so let's get into it. First of all, let's talk about a makeup tool that I am obsessed with and that is this Mars का 4-in-1 brush. This comes with a foundation brush on one side, a contour, a blush brush. इसको अगर आप ओपन करते हो you get another brush and if you open it again you get another eyeshadow brush. So I feel like traveling के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, everyday basis के लिए भी काफी अच्छा है. I always use this, उसको मैंने आज भी use किया है. So it's very like simple and easy to use. आपको ऐसे 3-4 brushes की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है. It just does everything so well. So if you're looking for a brush, guys, get it on this sale. Mars में I think उसमें बहुत अच्छे offers चल रहे हैं. Let's start with like prepping up our skin and face for makeup. So I have the ELF Halo Glow filter. ELF always has like a buy one get one offer. So मुझे हमेशा उनके ऑफर में लेना काफी पसंद है. So I got this in my last Pink Friday sale and I got it with like a lip liner. So मुझे दोनों buy one get one free में मिल गए थे. This is really good अगर आपको ऐसे luminous and glowy dewy skin चाहिए, then this is actually amazing. इसका एक बहुत ही chunky applicator है. If I show you the shade, this is the shade and this is how it looks. I feel like this is a little bit of skin tint, but again आपको ये ना बहुत coverage नहीं देगा. This will just make your skin feel very like glowy and dewy. तो वो करने में आपको ये help करेगा. I am in the shade light medium, shade 3. तो shade 3 काफी अच्छा अगर आप मेरे skin type के around हो. So if you want to get this, get it on sale right now. Next item I feel like सब इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. That is the Dalba का serum spray. Now if you can see मैंने कितना खत्म कर दिया है. That's much how I love it. ये like skin को prep करने में, like in between your makeup आपको like अपना makeup फिर से rehydrate करना है, उसके लिए काफी अच्छा है. And to like lock your makeup with like a setting spray. Acne skin के लिए good है क्योंकि just not like clog your pores. It is non-comedogenic and everything good about it. So if you want to get it on the sale, guys, get it right now. Next up, let's talk about base products. मेरे पास ये 4 है. Let's start with skin tints. For skin tints, I have these 2 available. एक high end है, एक affordable है. So affordable category में we have the L'Oreal Infallible Skin Tint. Again, this actually has a medium to full coverage kind of an effect. I am in the shade 2-3 light. Again, हल्का सा oxidize करता है and that is why I got a lighter shade in this. So definitely if you are looking for a good skin tint जो आपको ऐसे coverage भी दे, it's not like कि बस एक sheer coverage मिले आपको कुछ छुपे ना. My acne marks definitely do get covered by this. But if you want to invest in a good skin tint, then you can definitely get the Smashbox Halo Glow Skin Tint. SPF 25 available है. Now this again covers my all acne marks. ये भी काफी full coverage है and will give you that like no makeup kind of a look. आपको feel भी होगा नहीं कि आपने कुछ अपने face पे लगा भी रखा है. It's that lightweight. And if you want to get something like this, guys, get it in this sale right now. Smashbox में भी काफी अच्छे offers available हैं, so you can go grab it. इसका mini भी आता है. If you want to try it out, you can get that also in the shade light neutral. Next up is concealers and I feel like I'm very passionate about my concealers definitely. So I have these 2. ये थोड़ा सा high end plus affordable में जाता है, but this is very affordable. So पहले हम बात कर लेते हैं about the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Again, very good full coverage concealer जो आपको हर चीज के लिए आपका काम आएगा. Cover your acne marks and everything. बहुत अच्छा है. I am by the way in the shade 314 beige. अगर आप उसको completely अपने पूरे face पे लगा लो without like a foundation or skin tint तो भी ये काम करता है. The affordable concealer that I have is from Cuffs and Lashes. This is their Cover It All concealer and I am in the shade 06 Almond. Again a very good affordable concealer under rupees 200 या 300 का आपको मिल जाएगा अभी सेल पे. This is guys so good, very underrated but performs equally well than any other high end product, trust me. इसका भी coverage काफी अच्छा है, like covers all my dark circles, my acne marks and everything. मेरा honestly ये खत्म हो चुका है. It's literally over now. So if you want to get a good concealer at like an affordable price, then आप ये literally try कर सकते हो. So both of them actually perform really well. For powders, I have these 2 powders again. So this is the Maybelline का very famous compact powder and I am in the shade this. Actually कैमरे पे ना बहुत light दिख रहा है but in reality ये बहुत dark है मेरे लिए. I am in the shade 128 and I thought कि मेरे लिए काफी अच्छा होगा but it's a little darker for me, so do not reach out for it that much. It's actually a good compact to like cover and like mattify your face, उसके लिए अच्छा है. But recently I got the Cuffs and Lashes का perfect finish इनका powder. This is like my shade. I honestly love it. I am in the shade guys 03 Fair. It's amazing. It's a finishing powder. So आपको एक coverage नहीं देगा but आपके face को like finish कर देगा. मैंने इसको जब अपने under eyes पे हर जगह पे लगाया है. So this gives me that highlighted बहुत ऐसे like blurry look. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It's a very different kind of a powder जो मुझे लगता है लोगों को उसके बारे में नहीं पता. It's honestly really good. मुझे काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. like मेरी under eyes वगैरह ना बहुत soft और ऐसे blur हो गई हैं. So if you want to get this guys, get it now. It's actually a very good investment to get it at. And again, Cuffs and Lashes as a brand is very underrated, but they're performing and they're making such good products. So you can check them out. It's affordable, available on Nykaa on sale. try it out now. Now let's move on to some tints. I have these two right now. Let's start with this one. This is the Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint. Everybody loves it. सबके पास I think so अभी तक ये होगा भी. It's a good everyday tint. अगर आप college जाते हो, office जाते हो, you want a subtle like color in your face, then definitely it's really good. It's long lasting. It's very water like. Again, this goes on like that, but आप इसको blend करोगे, so this actually has a very good coverage. Again, you have to work a little faster इसके साथ, क्योंकि ये settle हो सकता है once you apply it on your face. So फटाफट से लगा लिया, फटाफट से blend भी कर लिया. The next tint that I have is from Mars. This is their 5 Dreams Velvet Lip Tint. Now I use this like on my lips also and on my cheeks also. चीक्स पे ये लंबा लास्ट करता है डेफिनेटली, एंड आपके लिप्स में भी ये स्टेन रहता है फॉर लाइक गुड 3-4 आवर्स, बट अगेन आप उसको टचअप करना पड़ता है. बट ऑन योर फेस गाइस इट जस्ट स्टेज द एंटायर डे. आई फील लाइक मोर देन लिप्स मैं उसको अपने लाइक फेस पे यूज करती हूँ. इफ यू कैन सी मैं इसको कितना यूज कर लिया है, लाइक ऑनेस्टली आई लव इट दैट मच. इसको लाइक मैं हमेशा अपने बैग में रखती हूँ फॉर लाइक एन इमरजेंसी पर्पज, कि मुझे अगर चाहिए कुछ मेरे पास नहीं है तो मैं फटाफट से इसको लगा लेती हूँ. दिस कलर इज रियली गुड. दिस इज इन द शेड 5 Dreams guys. It's literally very good. Next, let's move on to eyebrows. I have these two products with me right here. One is affordable, one is little high end. So high end की बात करते हैं. So I have the Benefit का Gimme Brow. This is a tinted brow gel. This is how the applicator looks like. This actually gives you very precise brows. अगर आपको एक एक ब्राउ को सेट करना है, then this is actually really really good. Again available on good offers. इसका exact dupe मेरे पास है. This is the inside. If you see दोनों दिखते भी कितने सिमिलर है. This is like an exact dupe. This is just for ₹190 from Inside Cosmetics. Has literally the same applicator. बस थोड़ा लंबा applicator है ये, but इसके bristles literally same है guys. ये tinted है तो आपको like ऐसे eyebrow pencil की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है. Just this on its own and you're good to go. Next up I have these two recommendations on mascara. The first one is the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. सबका cult favorite. कारण मुझे applicator बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It's a very chunky wand and I am a fan of chunky wands honestly. If I'm a mascaras, I wanted कि ना ये अच्छे से मेरे लैशेस को ऐसे कोट करते तो मेरे लैशेस दिखे. एंड आई फील लाइक विद लाइक मच थिकर मस्कारा वॉन्ड्स से आपको देता है वैसी लेंथनिंग लुक, एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई लव using this from L'Oreal. It's very very good. But again, if you're looking for a very like more volumizing mascara than like separating it, then the bubble mascara from Maybelline is amazing. This I feel like everybody must know by now. इसके अंदर ना क्या होता है, बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट ना वेस्ट होता है, and if you see कितना सब कुछ बाहर लग भी चुका है, एंड आई ऑलवेज लाइक रिमूव इसका एक्स्ट्रा एंड मैं फिर लगाती हूँ अपने लैशेस पे. बट दिस विल जस्ट गिव यू इनसेन वॉल्यूम गाइस. लाइक लुक एट द डिफरेंस. It's very very good. Again, the Lash Paradise I feel like is more for like separating your lashes and like lengthening it. This is particularly just for volume. If you want like volume in your lashes, then get this. But if you want like more separating and like lengthening mascara, then you can get this one. Lastly, I have a lot of lipstick recommendations, so let's go with it. Firstly, I want to talk about the Nykaa Super Light lipsticks. I am just a fan of these. I love them so much guys. मेरे पास इसके सारे 4 shades हैं. I got them in the collab. अगर मुझे नहीं भी मिला होता ना, मैं definitely इनको buy करती भी. My favorite shade is this one from the range. This is the Pink Lemonade shade. Now if you are a fan of pink and nude together, then this is actually a very good product. Like look at the color. I just love it so much. मुझे color specifically बहुत पसंद है. This is not nude, this is not pink, but like somewhere in between. It's very lightweight and ये आपको ना से मूसी इफेक्ट देता है, so like it just blurs your lip lines completely. And the same variant है. This is the Cinnamon Soul variant. This is more like for darker and like more grungy look, which again I love a lot. I feel like for dusky skin girls ये बहुत अच्छा color है. This is how it looks like. This is definitely like a brown and nudish color mixed together. So guys, if you want to try out, get these one on sale right now. ये दोनों actually में काफी अच्छी हैं. For lip gloss, I've been loving the Dream Beauty का lip gloss. I got this in PR, but this is their Dream Beauty Solace lip gloss in the shade Celine. This is the perfect color guys. I feel like this honestly can go off as a dupe for the Huda Beauty lip gloss. Like trust me, this का color बहुत अच्छा है. Like look at it. Look at the color, look at the pigment. इसका pigment भी काफी अच्छा है. If you just want to apply this and you want to go out, like definitely आप कर सकते हो. इसका color बहुत अच्छा है. The glossy effect is so pretty, like very glass like it just is so pretty. If you want to get a good lip gloss guys on a budget, get this one. It's actually really good and worth all the hype. इसके अंदर हमको 7-8 shades available हैं. Depending on your color preference, you can get them. But I love this one, like a pink gloss. I always wanted like a pink nudie gloss, and now I have it. How can I forget about this lipstick? This is my favorite lip color right now, guys. This is the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Burnt Spice. Everybody has talked about it and everybody loves it, guys. And literally me right now, color is something that I want to just marry. I want to marry this color, guys. Look how beautiful this is. This is like brown plus nude, and I feel like this color MAC has like nailed it. This is honestly viral for a reason. Lastly, I have a very good makeup remover recommendation, guys. This is the Nykaa का Makeup Melt Cleansing Balm. You know आजकल बहुत जो viral चल रही है the sharpener वाला packaging. So if you just twist it, तो ये ऐसे निकल के आता है. This has like twisted. मैं उसको यहीं से स्कूप करती हूँ, उसको पूरे फेस पे लगा लेती हूँ. This actually removes like even waterproof mascara, so I love it for that. And this is like very cute. I feel like carry करने में भी आसान है. It's not that bulky and just fits in your bag right there. So if you want to get a good makeup melting balm that removes your waterproof mascara and like your entire makeup in one go, then you can get this one from Nykaa. Now those were my recommendations, but now let's move on to कि मैंने Nykaa से क्या मंगाया है from the Pink Friday sale. So let's start with this छोटू packet right here. So I got the Inside का No Smudge Concealer. This is very viral right now, and I got it in the shade, guys, LN13. I hope it's a good match. It's a good match, I guess. I like it. It was just for rupees 180 or something. I'll pop in सबके screenshots यहाँ पे. Then I got this. This is the Swiss Beauty का Color Me Bright Sketch Eyeliner. This is how the packaging looks like. I got it in the shade brown, by the way, and I wanted to try it out. This is like a pen, if you see, right? And oh wow, it's very precise. I hope इससे wings अच्छे बने. Oh, if you see, wow, guys, look at it. And I feel like इससे wings भी काफी अच्छे like precise बन जाएंगे. So this is what I got. I'm very happy. Then we have this big packet. So first of all, I got the Nykaa I Go Bare eyeshadow palette. I was like looking forward to getting this, and guys, I got it in the sale. And this is in the shade Nude, by the way. Packaging is honestly very good. Like this is so pretty, guys. Like full chrome, and this is the. It actually reminds me a lot of like Huda Beauty की palette, but look at the colors, the shimmers, the mattes, they all look so good. चलो कुछ glitters का swatch करके देखते हैं. Let's try this. Wow, let's try this. मेरे पास हाथ में जगह बची नहीं है, but oh wow, it's very pretty. Amazing, guys, amazing. And I love the जो यहाँ पे बीच में NC लिखा है ना, it actually looks really good. इसका mirror भी बहुत अच्छा है. It's like of a very good quality. It's very pretty, guys. I do love it. I'm so excited to give this one a try, and I want to like create good looks. This has like 9 eyeshadows in it, and for the price point, I feel like this was actually a steal deal for me. And lastly, this is the Swiss Beauty का concealer. इसके बारे में मैंने लोगों को इतने बार बात करते हुए सुना हुआ है. मैंने ट्राई भी किया है, but I got my wrong shade last time. This time I got like a very good light color shade. So I want to experiment with like you know like brightening my under eyes. मैं कभी करती नहीं थी, but this time I definitely want to try it out. So मैंने ये shade लिया है. Yeah, I got the shade 02 Sand Sable to like brighten up my eyes. The sale is till 13th November, guys. So you of course have a lot of time in your hands to get and grab all of these amazing deals and amazing offers. And yeah, guys, with that we come to an end to this video. I really hope आपको अच्छी लगी, and I really hope that you found some amazing gems in the video. All the links are in the description box below, so do check it out before you exit this video, guys. And yeah, if you love the video, you don't forget to do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Never been to California, never been to LA.